I'm Mark Sells of The Real Deal with your movie of the week. Reggae superstar Bob Marley was one of the most charismatic, philosophical, and talented musicians of all time, a revolutionary whose influence continues today, long after his passing in 1981 from melanoma. Marley is the story of his life, from his early Jamaican childhood to the formation of the Wailers, the Rastafari movement, and his politically charged music. With never-before-seen archival footage and over 60 interviews from those who knew him best, Marley is a straightforward, fascinating documentary about the man and the myth. The son of a Jamaican woman and a British captain who was inspired by the Temptations, dismissed material wealth, and had 11 children from 7 different women. Directed by Kevin MacDonald, who also did Life in a Day, Marley is a celebration of Bob Marley, the good and the bad, the musician, the poet, the activist, and of course, the legend. For The Real Deal, I'm Mark Sells.